I'm Anusha Vaidyanathan, Director Security Product Management at Silver Peak, and I'm here to talk about First Packet IQ application classification. We see that more and more applications are moving to the cloud, and analysts indicate that by 2018, about 78% of applications will move to the cloud. So with the increasing use of cloud, organizations strongly prefer to send all their trusted SaaS applications directly to the cloud from their branches. Why would they do that? Because application performance matters. By doing a direct internet breakout, we reduce the latency of trusted SaaS applications. And we save on precious bandwidth by not backhauling all the traffic to the headquarters or data center. And we also perform secure internet breakout from the branches. The challenge is that there are trusted applications and untrusted applications. There are also applications like Facebook, Google, and YouTube, which are home from work applications, and you may want to send them to a cloud service for further security inspection. Existing methodologies based on IP address, port number, and deep packet inspection are not sufficient, as they are not able to identify the applications on the very first packet, and they cannot make intelligent traffic steering decisions. This is because for web applications that are HTTP based, it takes up to 4 packets to detect the underlying application. If it is an encrypted web application or a HTTPS based app, it could take 10 or more packets. Because of this, we are not able to do intelligent traffic steering from the very first packet. So this is where Silver Peak EdgeConnect's First Packet IQ comes into the picture. With First Packet IQ and multiple application intelligence, Silver Peak EdgeConnect is able to identify encrypted as well as unencrypted web applications on the very first packet and make intelligent traffic steering decisions, whether it goes to direct to net, whether it goes to a cloud service, or whether it is going to be backhaul to the data center. So how does Silver Peak do this? It uses all the above techniques like IP addresses, port numbers, and DPI, and it also uses other techniques like a cloud-hosted internet map, which is essentially a map of all publicly used IP addresses on the internet. So you know that 216.0.0 belongs to google.com. It uses a geolocation database, which tracks where applications come from and where they are sent to. It also uses a DNS response cache, which looks at domain name requests and responses, which is often the first step before traffic actually passes. Using all the above techniques, Silver Peak is able to tie all this together using distributed deep machine learning. And using this, it is able to identify applications on the very first packet with greater confidence, thereby preserving application performance, reducing the backhaul, and providing a means for secure internet breakout. Thank you for watching. For more SD-WAN videos, please click here.